everybody, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and we have an unpacking. It's actually going to be 2 for the price of 1 because during my live you guys chose which bag to unbag during the live, and one of them was the pink bag from Karen Doss and her amazing shop, KK's Unique Diamond Painting Pens, and the other one was China Mail. So I am going to go over Karen Doss's my purchases. She had a birthday sale and I capitalized on it, and she is just such a sweetheart. So some of the things I bought from her is she had found these wonderful, beautiful unicorns with soccer players. So I purchased those. And some of these she gave as small gifts. She and I have kind of supported each other, but I did buy many of them. Also, 2 cute little foxes. Super cute. Right there. Whoops. He wanted to take a dive. There we go. I have to be careful because they have magnets on them. Here's another little fox. And what is a cover minder? It's something fairly new in the community. Basically what it is there's 2 magnets on the back of something, and when you lift your cover back, you put the pretty part on the top, just kind of a cute little haha, some little style, and behind your painting you put the other magnet, and this holds your cover back so it doesn't fall in your face. Now, these I've used on my light pads. They do not affect light pads, but do keep them away from your cell phone, your iPads, and your computers. Let's see, what else do we have here? I also loved, I'm going to put these back in this container, and see they all like stick together because they're magnets. I love elephants, guys. Okay, these beautiful jewel-toned and gold elephants. So that's the purple one. It's basically like a pink elephant, and then it's outlined in that gold. And then you've got yellow, like aqua or teal. It looks blue on camera. And then purple. They all decided to go together. And then orange. Okay, so this is my little elephant cup to keep them all together. And then I got this from Michael's. This is just kind of a container I use to keep things together. So I'm using it for my cover minders. And then my daughter plays soccer. We're huge soccer fans. World Cup, woohoo! So she found these amazing, like here's a little cleat, soccer cleat, soccer balls, little star, the word soccer. It's not double-sided, it's actually just magnetic. Little baby soccer ball, another little baby soccer ball, and then another word, soccer. And so I am going to share these along with the unicorn with my daughter, because you guys have seen her diamond painting, right? The Snoopy. So these will be hers. So that came, and then also Karen always likes to send these cute little gifts. It depends on what she has available at the time. Sometimes there's clipboards. I've already started using this. She puts wax in it. So she sent one blue one because blue is my daughter's favorite color for her. And then mine's, I love green or teal or anything in that category. So I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna put my daughter's at Camp Grandma and Grandpa's right now. We dropped her off today. Ooh, I can't. This is like a new container, so it's going to take a while for it to bend and understand that I am the boss of the container. Haha. Okay, so I also bought this cute little fox, and I thought it was going to be plastic, but it's wood. And then she did a great job converting it. Can't wait to use it. Woohoo! I think I'm going to have to get this whole set because these are super cute. If I had known they weren't plastic, I would have probably splurged. But then again, I'm on a budget, so maybe not. I'll have to buy them one at a time. And then these are those polymer clay pens. And to match our little macaroons, she made one for me in teal and one for my daughter in blue. They're beautiful. They're nice and light. And I've been using my teal one all since I got home. I've been working on, don't worry, Ginger, I am not working on a new diamond painting. I have to wait till July 1st to start my challenge. But she said these are glow in the dark, so I'm trying to figure out a way to show you if they're truly glow in the dark because I don't have night vision on my camera. You'll just have to trust me on that one. So that's what I got from her. And like I said, oops, see, stuck to the scissors. 2 for the price of 1. This is not diamond painting related, but it is from AliExpress. And so I thought, hey, let's just have a little fun. So I got, this is from store, I pulled it up just a second. This is from Ascola Officina Supply Store. I'll put the link down below in case anybody wants it. I needed a new badge holder. So somebody at work had gotten this off of like eBay, and I was like, I'll get it even cheaper off of AliExpress. I don't know how. Okay. So it's just a new badge holder, and then I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use a nicer thing. So nothing really fun there. I just liked it because it was kind of like metal silver. Mine is a plastic sleeve, and it's all dirty. So I'm really, I don't know, something on the side there. You're like, whatever, who cares about that? All right, then my husband is always asking to borrow, let's get this, as Becky says, China butt off my table. He's always asking to borrow my whiteout, and so I was just kind of be funny and I found this cute little, what was it, like 93 cents. This cute little snail, and supposedly, yeah, it's whiteout. So I know you can't replace it, but I thought it's kind of cute to stick on his desk. I don't know. I just thought it was fun. And then because of these youth camps, goodness, I'm going to have to look at this. Like, this is not what I was expecting. We're doing a space theme at the youth camps, and I was trying to get cool little pens for the kiddos to write with. But this is kind of weird. Some of them came in baggies, and some of them, yeah, see, like these came in their own individual baggies. I tried to get some girl colors and some boy colors. Sorry for the crinkle, but I'm not sorry too. Oh gosh, so these come off. These are just like toppers. See, they come off. Oop, now it's not going to show because I pushed it on. But here's the purple. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Here's the orange. Whoops. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Here's the brown. Got 4 of those. It's 12. And then this is the blue. And I didn't know how many kids were coming. So I guessed, and I don't think I guessed right. So yeah, I only got 16. So I'm probably gonna have to order more because we have 18 kits. But maybe we'll have a week where only 16 come, and then I'll hand this out that week as the prize. And there's the blue one. So, yeah, so that's kind of my China mail. I know it wasn't DP related, but I gave you DP at the beginning. So if you checked out, not a problem. I won't hold it against you. So yeah, so that's everything I have. The pens were 52 cents a piece. The little snail, I'll have the link below in case you want to get it, is 93 cents. And the badge holder was like $1.17, but you're not here for a badge holder. So anyway, yeah, so that's everything. Thank you guys so much. Down below, please check out Karen's Facebook page. She's got great pen options, and she has great cover minders. So until next time, I bid you well and hope you have a wonderful, blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.